A day in the life of a home baker slash treat maker. 50 mini pans later. Today, I'm taking y'all behind the scenes as I bake and decorate 50 cookies and cream mini pans for one of the sweetest events, a daddy and a daughter dance. I'm so honored they chose Treats by Veronica to be a part of this special day. Let's get started. Y'all, when I tell you I enjoy what I do, I mean just that. Today, these 50 mini pans on the menu, cookies and cream, one of the customer's favorites. So when one of my amazing clients ordered 50 for this daddy and daughter dance, I already knew I had to go in with a whole lot of love. And it starts with the real deal, no shortcuts. That crushed cookie folded into a rich, buttery batter that smells like childhood and grown-up cravings at the same time. Every pan is portioned with care. I don't guess, I wait. Because that first bite should taste like it was made just for you. So how did I achieve this? Well, while those were baking, let me just say it was wild. Hold on, one order turns into another order, and as I'm lining up these pans, I hear cha-ching, 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 hit 20 more orders, then 30. That's 50. Alright? I had to pause and just think, guys, seriously, I prayed for this. I cried for this. I spent many nights just for this moment. And once they're golden and done, and I let them cool before all the real good things start happening. My homemade vanilla buttercream is so smooth and fluffy like whoop clouds. I used just enough to top it, swirl it, and make it pop. You guys see yes in this video. Now here is the part that I don't rush, that I really take my time, but I'm just gonna speed this video up for you. So yeah, you know the gist. These desserts are dressed to impress. A swirl of cream, a sprinkle of crushed cookies, and that signature touch that says this was made by Treats by Veronica. Each one of these pans deserves a cookie just on top. A look that's adamant and good just for you. See, what you don't realize is that every time an order comes in, God tells me, every person that gets this pen, I want you to pray for them. And that is what is so amazing about my customers is that regardless of what they are going through, guess what? Everybody needs prayer. And when they begin to get treats by Martha, they're wondering what is really going on. It is the love that God has set this fire through me, set fire in each pan. And y'all wouldn't believe the change, the transformation that takes place, the minds, hallelujah, that is just being transformed just by ordering from treats from Veronica. And it's that as those moments, that change is available, that transformation is available. So it's like every time I get an order in and customers come in, I'm starting, I'm heading over, I'm getting to that packaging shelf, I'm grabbing whatever is necessary. In this case, I grabbed them 50 mini pans. Y'all, when I say this is my happy place, I mean it. Then I grab my ingredients, my flour, my sugar, my crushed oils, and all that good stuff. Cookies and cream hits every single time. And so I'm telling you, I got my mixer. I started blending in my cream and vanilla base with the chunks of real cookies. I don't play when it comes to quality. I use that digital waiter, and I'm like, it's got to be the exact way, same way every single time because there's no shortcut in my kitchen. All right. And so I popped them in the oven and I set my timer. And y'all, what I can say, all I can tell you is that you better get ready. You better get ready. Don't be sleeping on you. You deserve a treat, baby. You deserve a treat. So at the same time, and it's that moment that every customer wait for is that freshness, you know what I'm saying? That gift ready. Each lid they locks down tight and all the cookies and cream and softness in every label. It tells a little story. Once you get that taste in your mouth, listen, once you see how pretty and designable that they are, it just makes you not even want to eat this product. But I guarantee you it is ready for you to eat. And so I just line them up. I double check every detail because when these leave my kitchen, they carry my name. They, you know, carry that behind the scene thing about me. Because they're just not desserts, you guys. They're experiences. They're joy for others. They are so much so much joy for others that I can't even explain right now. And so, whether it's for a daddies and daughter dance, whether it's for a birthday, whether it's for a family dinner, a family get together, a baby shower, just any type of event, teacher appreciation, Mother's Day baskets. So many different type of events that we can think of right now, or just a treat for yourself, a moment just for you. These pens were made to be remembered. And I'm Veronica, the hands, the heart. Listen, y'all, the enjoyable place that leads and shows that behind the scene for Treats by Veronica. And if you're watching this, let me just say, I saved a few just for you. Let me just say that all you got to do is tap the link, share with a dessert lover, or come see why these cookies and cream pens never last long. You guys, I really enjoy being on this video with you all. Now that these 50 mini pens are being beautifully packaged, boxed, and ready for pickup, all we have to do next is finish all our labels on these. As you guys can see, it says Treat by Veronica. And yes, of course, I make my own labels for every single thing that I do. So every one of them made with care, precision, and purpose. This is what Treats by Veronica is all about. If you want to order your own batch, DM me now. If you're interested in starting your own treat business, DM me as well. Listen, it don't just stop here. I'm willing to help you get your business off the ground and help you be successful in your business. And I'm also willing, to make sure that your next cake is your best cake. And if you're continuing to watch this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share this. And if you're still watching and and you've been thinking about starting your own business, I'm really telling you to do it. Start with what you have. That's what I did. I created a full digital bundle to help you get started the right way, and it's available now. Thank you all for spending this baking day with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for my sweet content. See you next time, and please stay and finish watching our video. Thank you guys. Bye.